Hey, John Wilson here from high-ticket-affiliate-coach.com, and welcome to this video on how to make a sales funnel for a digital course. So in this video, we're going to cover how to do that very quickly and easily without complicated tech. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you 5 genius upsell ideas that you might not have thought of. And while you're there, if you like videos about online business, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now we're going to do this demo in ThriveCart. That's an awesome software I've been using in my digital product and coaching business for years, and I love it because you can use it to host your digital course and sell it too, and it's really easy to use for non-techies. So we're inside ThriveCart here. I've clicked already the products icon at the top here, and we have our demo product. Now this is the product for the course that I have already created. You can create the course inside of ThriveCart Learn here that comes with the software, and it's very easy to do. But this is about creating a funnel. So we've created the demo product, and let me just edit this. All this is we've set the name of the product, we've set up the pricing. This is just a $100 product. We put a bump on the order form page. We set up the processors, and basically we're going to add so when they purchase, we're going to add them to my membership site. That is what I've already created inside of ThriveCart Learn, and it's going to be my demo course. And then we're going to go next, and we've already designed a sales page. So here we are inside the editor, and this is what they call a sales cart. So it's basically a sales page with the cart section at the bottom. Now in this case, we're selling an imaginary product about intermittent fasting, and I put a video in here, but you could equally have a text-based sales page here instead of a video, or you could have both. But the key being that you've got the customer can check out at the bottom here. They can have this, they can select this order bump here, and once they check out, they will then either go to a success page if that's all you want to sell, or if you want to sell upsells, have a deeper funnel if you like, then you can do that as well. So I'm just going to get out of this for now. And just quickly before we leave the editor here, let me just show you the kind of things you can do in here. You can add headings, you can add other videos, you can add testimonials, you can add guarantee seals, choose from a bunch of different ones here and format them as you like. Just all the usual kind of things that you'd expect to be able to do with a sales page editor, and all inside of ThriveCart. So let me just leave this for now. So once you're happy with that, click save, and that will get you the URL to the sales page. But if you want to add other upsells to your funnel, then this button is the one that you want to click. So click that, and then we want to enable a sales funnel for our product, and here we can configure our upsells. Now it's going to be something that you have to create a product in ThriveCart for the thing that's going to be your upsell. Okay, and here's a bunch I've created already. We're going to use this one here, and you need to create an upsell page for it. Now this again, all done inside of ThriveCart. We'll launch the upsell editor, and your upsell page never has to be as extensive as your original sales page. Your customer, when they get to this point, they're already qualified. You know that they're a kind of your ideal kind of customer, and you just need to let them know that you have some extra value to offer them. So it would be a short video or a short bit of text telling them what you have to offer and the benefits of that, and how that's going to help them get to their goal quicker or easier, and so on. So here is where you can tell them what it is that you have to offer. Okay, and again, you can use all the, drag in a video here if you want to. You can put the video in there and tell them exactly what it is you have to offer. And then if they want to upgrade, then they would just click this button here, or they can opt out by saying no thanks at the bottom here. So very simple and easy to do, and you can just save your changes. And you can add up to 5 different upsells inside of ThriveCart, but we're happy with one on this, and we'll just save that sales funnel. And then we can view our checkout. That's going to just view our sales page or our sales cart, and this is the one that we created earlier, and this is what it looks like. And when your customer completes their checkout on at the bottom of this page here, they might select the order bump and then continue, and they have to input their email address and payment details. And then once they've done that, they'll be sent to the upsell page that we just configured. So this is in test mode, so let's just go through it. And here's our upsell page, and we're going to say yes, we want this extra thing added to our purchase. And there's our success page. So we've successfully purchased. It's just a test at the moment, and this success page can be customized as well. You can put a video, a thank you video on there, or other instructions, but as it is, you would click here to access your purchases, and your customer would get direct access to your digital course inside of ThriveCart. So now I want to cover these 5 Genius Upsell ideas, and just a quick caution: upsells should always complement your course or product, your main product, and shouldn't be something that's perceived as being necessary as part of that main product. You shouldn't be seen as forcing someone to buy an upsell to make the original product work, if you see what I mean. So just be careful with that. Now, first of all, your first upsell idea is a done-for-you service. So I used to offer, I still do offer a done-for-you setup service for a website offering that I was offering in the real estate space, real estate investing space. So that's one idea. 2 is a done-with-you service. So that would be a service where the customer is implementing whatever it is. So say it's like, maybe Facebook ads, you're coaching them, but they're implementing it themselves. 3 is a coaching service. So if it's like weight loss or something like that, you can provide maybe a group coaching session, a regular group coaching session, or perhaps a one-to-one session for that. 4th idea would be a live event. Maybe that could be either online or in person, some kind of live event that would complement the course that you are selling. And 5th, if a main product is an ebook, then perhaps the upsell could be a video course. This is a very tried and tested format. You can get people in the door with a low-priced ebook, and then if they like that idea, then you can upsell them to a video course. It's basically essentially the same material, but just covered in a more expansive video course. So I'm dying to know if any of those order upsell ideas appeal to you, or if you're planning something completely different. Let me know in the comments under the video. So I originally got ThriveCart because I needed to set up funnels and sell my digital course quickly, and I didn't have time to mess about with complicated tech stuff. And one of the main things that sealed the deal for me was that ThriveCart is an affordable one-time payment and not a monthly charge at the time of writing anyway. And ThriveCart's main competitor charges up to $299 per month for similar software. So if you decide to pick up ThriveCart today through my link in the comments below this video, then I'll give you access to a couple of exclusive bonuses for free. You can see what those are by clicking that link, but it's definitely going to be at least my digital course, which is called Digital Course Formula, and it's all about how to set up and launch your own digital course, and that's a $997 value. So stay tuned, because in the next video I'm going to show you how to collect payments for coaching and consultancy. So you can watch that now here, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications before you go. So bye for now, and God bless.